Okay, so I'm gonna turn off first this inverter. This one here. Like I said, all the units are working in parallel right now, so I'm gonna turn off this one. And let's see what that's gonna do. Turn off the power here. I'm gonna turn off this one. It's gonna take longer because this one doesn't have the breaker switch. All the other units are still working. So then I'm gonna disconnect the power and see if that we're able to do without losing power at the house. Okay? Doesn't look like it giving us any errors. See what I'm talking about?
Mm-hmm.
So if that's the case, if one or two inverters fail, you're still gonna have power at the house. So it's almost impossible to get a, unless the transformer goes out, you know? Okay. So now, somewhere, we're putting this shit here. Oh, yeah. Okay, and that one there goes with this one here. Oops, dropped that stupid shit. Come on, where did it go? Where did it go the fucking night? Oh, here. Okay. So you see what I'm doing?
Mm-hmm.
You're recording that? You're recording my back. You're not recording what I'm doing. Oh, 10 for that one. Kind of loose. That's why they break.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now it's better. Put this one here, this one back, and this one back here. So we're connecting the power again to the breaker. Oh, okay. I can move to this side if you want me to. So everything is back. I mean, not yet until I turn on the inverters. But we were able to put a breaker without turning off the power. Let's see. That is thinking. Okay, so we got power back, and we can turn on breaker. So now we got power to this inverter. Turn on the other breaker. Okay, and we can turn on power here and power here. Let's see what happens. If it stays working without any errors, that's great. That's going to be a very stable setup. That one there's working already, so we're waiting for this one. Yep, everything's working. Shoot, man, this is almost bulletproof. To be able to do that, you know, to turn off two inverters without losing the power for the load, in this case for the house, that's great. So that proves that if one or two inverters go out, you're still gonna be running everything. That's great. Well, thank you, Mijo, for helping me to record. And thank you guys for watching this video. We need more subscribers. Until next time, bye.